What's up, y'all? I'm back, and we have let our sea moss soak for about 5 hours. It's now 6:02. So we started an earlier video around 11:30, between 11:30 and 12, when I had poured the water on it. It's now 6:02. You want to soak sea moss for a minimum 4 hours, a maximum 12 hours overnight or something like that. So here we go. So now I'm going to pour the water that I used to soak the sea moss into mason jars. One thing you want to do before you actually pour it out is you want to thank your sea moss again. Touch it. Really get acquainted with it. Look at it. Get a feel for it. You can see they have soaked up a lot of the water. If you look at the other sea moss I have, if you want to do a comparison, you can see how skinny, the dry sea moss is. I'll just show a little bit. We can do a little comparison, a little live comparison in here. The more the merrier, right? For you guys out there. Here we go, drop my hand off. So if I was to take a little piece of sea moss out the bag and compare it to the sea moss that have soaked, you can kind of see the difference. And this is a great way of testing your sea moss and making sure it's not fake and counterfeit sea moss that's going around out here on the internet. Especially during this pandemic, a lot of opportunities out here. A lot of people are just trying to sell you anything. I done seen some videos, y'all, where it looked like people that took some ramen noodles and crunched it up and put it in a bag. I promise to God. So it's nice to know that this sea moss right here is authentic and ready to go. So we're gonna rub it. We're gonna get acquainted with it. Just want to thank this sea moss. I want to welcome it to my house. Thank you for, the love. Thank you for the amazing things you're gonna do to my body. Smells a lot better too. Earlier in the video, we put limes in it. Hey babe, what you want to do with these old limes? Toss them? All right. Put them to the side for right now. So, here we go. We pour this to the mason jar, the used water. You was right, babe. I needed 2 mason jars. So check it out. One thing I'm going to do with this old water, I'm actually going to save it, and I'm going to actually use it for my plants. So I'm going to use the old water from the sea moss, and I'm just going to put it to the side, and I'm going to use it for my plants. Why not, right? And now it's time to add our sea moss to the blender. Here we go. Look at that. Thank you. Smelling so good. So one thing we're gonna do, guys, we're not gonna add a lot of water to this. You wanna add just enough water again, just like we did earlier, to cover it. You wanna add just enough water in this part to cover it as well. I'm taking my crystals out. I use my crystals to actually charge up my water. So now I'm gonna take some filtered water. We're done with rinsing, with bad water. We're only using filtered water. We don't want no fluoride, toxins, mercury, whatever. We don't want any heavy metals, anything in here to upset our sea moss. So here we go. And we can always add more water after we start blending. So what I like to do is just add just enough on this first go round, because we can always add more. But you don't want to put too much water in here off rip, and have clunky sea moss. That's how you end up having sea moss that's, the texture is not smooth. You want that smooth texture. You know what I mean? Man, what you think of this? It's kind of tough to. Hope it's not too much. Good for now. All right, so we're gonna stop right there. So with this blender here, I have a Ninja, guys. I'm at 1,000 milliliters right now. So we're gonna put it in the blender, guys, and we are going to mix it up. Let's get it. Let's get it. And so, at first, side note, as I'm blending it, you're gonna see it flying around acting crazy. A good indicator that your sea moss is ready for consumption out of the blender and ready for that gel-based texture that you like is when it calms down. Y'all, I don't think I know how to put them. She in there laughing at me. There we go. Sheesh, my reviews are real. I don't blank out nothing. Let's get it. I'm gonna put it on blend. Y'all see how it's jumping around right now all crazy? It's going crazy. It's jumping. It's a party going on in there. I'm going to keep blending it until it calms down more. That's the point. So let's get it. Definitely wasn't jumping as much no more. Let's get it. All right. Yeah. My shit looking real. Yes. It's looking very gel texture. That's exactly how I want it. All right, it's looking very gel based. It's exactly what I was hoping for, y'all. So I'm getting ready to pour it in a mason jar right now. Let's get us a shot. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. That's your SEAMOSSGEL right here. Right here. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Smelling good, not too fishy. I'm gonna get all this out. No sea moss. Taste it. No sea moss left behind. None. Check it out, guys. This is how it looks after you have blended it up. Once you blended it, pour it in the jar. You just let it sit. Let it sit, get solid for at least 30 minutes. 30 minutes at least. Let it just sit here and get solid. And after that, we'll add it to the refrigerator, and I'll show you guys how it looks being in the fridge for a while, getting cool. And that's it. So, what's up, y'all? I'm back. It's hours later. I had the sea moss sitting out on the counter, and I put it in the refrigerator to chill, actually. So let's check it out. It should be perfect and in a nice gel-based texture, as we all hope for. Looks familiar, right? But like I said, I still have extra sea moss. This is half a pound right here. So this is literally right here, just one handful gave me 2 jars. One full jar and a half a jar of SEAMOSSGEL. Yeah, babe, the gel texture is really good. There we go. And that's your SEAMOSSGEL homemade. I hope y'all enjoyed my video. Please comment below. Please subscribe. Please hit the like button. Feel free to follow me on Instagram at g.rodit. And then follow us at DEFEATTHEDAY. Enjoy.